Minasan konnichiwa and welcome back to Language Script Academy, your go-to place for learning Japanese writing systems. In this lesson of the Hiragana series, we will be focusing on the S-column characters sa, shi, su, se, so. And here they are. Sa and se will be written using 3 strokes. Su will be composed out of 2 strokes. And the last characters of so and shi will be written with only 1 stroke each. And yes, you've heard me right. This character is pronounced shi, not si. Let's start with the first character, sa. Now watch closely as I demonstrate the stroke order. First, you draw an horizontal line, then a diagonal stroke starting at the top left and moving to the right, finishing with a short horizontal line, and then a quarter circle. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Sa. This character actually looks pretty similar to another one from our previous lesson, and I'll write it next to it. This is the 4-stroke character of ki. Just to avoid the confusion, the character ki starts with 2 parallel horizontal lines, while sa with just 1. One last time, we're going to draw sa again. 1, 2, 3. Let's write a few examples using the characters from the previous lessons. The word for the most popular Japanese alcoholic beverage is called sake. So we write sa, and then the character from the previous lesson, ke. And now we have sake. The word for morning is asa. So we write a, and then sa. Asa. Very good. Alright, next character is shi, and it's one of the simpler characters to write. You basically draw a straight line starting from the top and curving downwards to the right in a semicircle formation, just like a hook. Let's do it again. And now we have shi. Okay, let's move on to su. First, you draw an horizontal line, then you start a line above it, and after you strike through the middle of the first stroke, you make a circle and then finish off with a loop slightly to the left. Let's do it again. 1, 2. This is su. Let's write two examples using the characters we've learned so far. Probably the most popular Japanese dish we all know of is called sushi. So you start off by writing the character for su, and then shi. And now you can impress your Japanese friends by writing down this word sushi. Here's another word which means to like. Su. And the character after is ki. And now we know how to write suki, to like. The fourth character is pronounced se, and it contains 3 strokes. So you begin with an horizontal line like this. Then you draw a short vertical line starting from the upper right, extending downwards through the first stroke and ending with a small hook to the left. And finally, you draw a longer vertical line from the upper left side and curving down to the right underneath the hook. Let's do it again. One, two, three. One more time. Let's write it together. 1, 2, 3. Se. Let's write an example using se and a few characters from the previous lessons. The word for world is pronounced sekai, and it's made out of 3 characters. Se, ka, and i. Sekai. And finally, we have the character so. This character is simple and elegant with just 1 stroke of a pen. You start with a short horizontal stroke at the top, then you draw it like the letter Z, and then, while still holding the pen, a curved tail downwards, finishing at the bottom right side. Let's do it once more. And that is so. Let's write an example using the character so. The word there is pronounced soko. So you write so and then ko. Let's do a recap using the example words. Can you guess this word? This is sushi. Let's write another word. Can you guess this? This word is sake. Let's do one more example. So we have so and ko, and it's pronounced soko, there. That's it for today. We have now learned the characters of sa, shi, su, se, and so. Be sure to practice these characters every day to build your writing confidence, and feel free to rewatch this video at any time. Also, don't forget to review our previous lessons as we get ready for Lesson 4. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe to Language Script Academy for more tutorials on how to write different characters. See you next time. Mata ne!